Kevin Coleman with the Sign Post at the Ross County Democratic Spring Gathering, and this is Justice Melody Stewart. So please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Melody Stewart. I'm running for re-election to the Ohio Supreme Court.
So what are your origins? Where are you from?
I am originally from the Northeast Ohio area, greater Cleveland area. Went to undergraduate school at the College Conservatory of Music at the University of Cincinnati. Because with the name Melody, what else would I study in college, right? Got my law degree from Cleveland State University College of Law and my PhD from Case Western Reserve University.
You mentioned that the party affiliation was added to identify Supreme Court justices and Court of Appeals.
Correct.
Can you expand on that?
Well, the General Assembly, or the majority of the General Assembly a few years ago, decided that having party affiliation on judges' ballots, again, just Supreme Court justice and appellate court, was a good idea. It's a terrible idea. No lawyer, I won't say no lawyer, but the majority of lawyers and judges don't support that. But it was politically motivated to try to give their candidates an upper hand in the elections. And but hopefully people will pay attention to the qualifications and credentials of their judicial candidates. And if they do that, they will make the better choice, and not just by political party.
So how did that get more, change the constituency of the Supreme Court by identifying the party?
Well, it's only Supreme Court races and Court of Appeals races, and that's about 76 jurists, and there are hundreds of trial court juries across the state, and they'll still run with no party affiliation. And those are the judges that people see every day, because trial court judges try cases and they decide termination of parental rights and different things. So it's a political motivation, but they're hoping that people just don't pay attention and will pick up their ballot and look for party affiliation and go, oh, that's the reason why I vote. Because for my opponent, the only people who should be voting for him are his family and friends, or people who only vote for Republicans regardless of credentials.
What else did you bring up in your speech here?
What else did I bring up? Just how hard we're going to work. How I'm grateful to Ross County in 2018 when I was successful winning this county to help put me in the seat. I am a consummate public servant, and I think that any elected official who runs for office, if public service should be the first and only goal of anybody running for elected office. And if they don't do that, then in my opinion, they aren't worthy of your vote.
You did mention that the governor's appointee is running against you.
Correct, as opposed to running to keep the seat that the governor gave him. That's a political motivation again. He's someone who's never been a judge in his life. He has zero judicial experience before coming to the highest court in the state. He is the only justice on the Supreme Court with no prior judicial experience, and could not get elected if he had to run for that seat. So he's only there by the grace of having a good friend who happens to be governor of the state of Ohio.
All right, Melody Stewart, current justice of the Supreme Court, running for re-election.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.